some important terms of the lens is the first one is the linear magnification. For concave or convex lens, linear magnification is in fact the height of the image by height of the object. That is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object is equal to V by U plus V by U. That's the application is there. Always remember how it comes. It's very simple. The plus V by U. And for mirror, we know mirror M is equal to HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. For mirror, just you compare and remember. Now, how to remember for the quick idea? Mirror minus M for M, lens plus. That's for quick understanding. So minus V by U for mirror, and for the lens plus V by U. And we are talking about the lens. We can write, also get this V by U, value of V by U, F minus V by F also. That is on another form. And also M is equal to, we can write 1 minus V by F. Another form of the magnification. Right. Another point is that of your lens is that power of lens. Power of lens. In fact, power of lens is the reciprocal of the focal length expressed in meter. That's the basic formula. That's a unit is diopter. Diopter divided by capital D. Just recapitulating. In fact, the power of lens is basically the ability to converge. We have to write ability of a lens to converge or diverge. The meaning of converge and diverge, converging and diverging. Ability of lens to converge or diverge the rays of light falling on it. That's the basic idea. And power is equal to, how we are going to find the power 1 by F in meter. That's a diopter. If focal length is given in your centimeter, you have to convert it in meter. Simple. And power, as power is equal to 1 by F. So for concave lens, focal length is negative. So power is negative for the concave lens. Concave lens. And for convex lens, as focal length is positive, therefore power is positive. That you remember. Just the recapitulation. Clear? 1 by F, focal length. So power is negative. If the power is given in negative, that means concave lens. And if the power is given in positive, that means convex lens. Because focal length, it depends on the focal length. Now the thin lens is in contact. That's also important. Just see the diagram. I have taken the two convex lens. A ray of light is coming from this way. It bends and again bends by the second lens and converges here. Had it been no L2 second lens, the image would form on this particular point I dash. F1, F2 are the focal length, the U, V, and here the intermediate image is there, or we can say the V dash or V1 is the denotation. Now, just to see what we are going to do it, we are going to find the equivalent focal length. Just see. So, let O be the point object placed on the principal axis. If second lens were not present, then the first lens forms the image at I dash. Right? So in that case, we can write 1 by U plus 1 by V dash is equal to 1 by F1. Right? 1 by F1. First one, F1, the focal length of the first lens. Right? Now, since second lens was is in contact with the first, so I dash or I1, here I have taken I dash acts as virtual object for the second lens. Which forms the image I on the principal axis. So in this particular case, minus 1 by V1. What is V1? This. Here it is object distance, plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F2. With the sign convention I have used it. Thin lens formula, minus 1 by V1 plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F2. Here also, with the help of sign convention I am using it. Right? It's a very simple adding 1 and 2. What we will get? Minus 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. And this is your resultant focal length, say 1 by capital F. 1 by resultant focal length or equivalent focal length, 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. This is the expression for equivalent F. Capital F is what? Equivalent focal length. Equivalent focal length. Right? Clear? Just you add it. 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. If the two lenses are separated by some distance, say the two lenses are separated by some distance x, then the question is that you have to find what is the focal length. Then equivalent focal length, that is f, it will be 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus x by f1 into f2. Right? Important point which you have to remember. Sometimes the 1 mark question is being asked directly. X, the distance is given, and focal length of individual lengths here f1 and f2 is given, and you have to find out. So directly application is there. Okay, thank you.